everyone, so this is Rakshita. So let's start from class 8 maths lesson number 9 exercise 9.5 from the question number 4. So question number 4 is simplify. So actually there are 7 parts, so 4 parts will cover in this video and other 3 will in next video. Okay, so let's read it out. So a square minus b square to the whole square. So here we have to simplify. How? Which property is going to use? Minus sign is there, so we are going to use, wait, I am going to write the property here. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is the property, so let's use in this one. Okay, let me make it the box. Okay, looking like the cupcake one. Okay, that much. So here this a square, this is a and this is b, this is a and this is b. So let's start. So a square is this, means here square also and there square also, means 2 square it will be there, a square and then whole square, then minus as it is 2 into a is this, means a square, multiply b square, wait, I will rub this much, b square, b and wait, this b square as it is, and then plus b square, b is this and this square and this square both will be there. Okay, so 2 square will be there total, so this square and another also that square. Okay, so let's solve it. So here square means 2 times square, so 2 2s are 4, so we can write it as a raised to the power 4. Okay, then minus sign as it is, 2 into a square into b square, we can write it as 2a square b square, plus as it is, then b here also 2 square, so 2 into 2 is 4, so we can write it as b raised to the power 4. So this is the answer. So we have simplified. So let's come to the second part. So second part is 2x plus 5 square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. So here 2 properties are going to use, because here plus is there and here minus. So here plus one means first one and here second identity. So for this, so let's do it. Okay, so here 2x plus 5, this represent, wait, this represent a, this represent b, also have this here, this also a and this also b, because here one expression and the second one expression is also given, so we are going to use here 2 properties. So I am going to write here, wait, okay, I will be rubbing this, I think so you have noted down. Okay, sorry, I don't think so, wait, I think so you have already noted down. So I am going to rub this because it will take more space. Yeah, so let's do this one. So I am going to write the 2 properties, first one and second one here. Okay, so a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then here second property, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is our first and second identity, so let's use it there. So here plus sign is there, means first identity we are going to use. So first is a square, is this, means 2x square plus here plus as it is 2 into a into b. So here 2 is this, a is 2x, then multiply b is 5, so we can write it as 5. Then here plus as it is, we will put plus, then b square, so b is this, means 5 square, then that is square. Okay, 5 square, then with sign here minus is there, so minus as it is we will write down. Then here if minus is there, so we have to put bracket. Okay, so after that a square, second property we are going to use because minus sign is there, so second property is this one. So a square means 2x, so 2x square with sign minus as it is, then 2 into a into b, so 2 as it is, a is this one, 2x into 5, b is 5. Okay, then with sign plus plus as it is, then b square means this one, b square is 5 square. Okay, so let's solve out this. Yeah, actually I have to put it also in bracket because I have started bracket here. Okay, 5 square bracket close. This is the big one bracket. Okay, this one and this one, these are the small one. Okay, so here if after minus bracket is there, so the signs will be changed. Here minus is there, so minus minus plus. Here plus is there, so minus plus minus. So let's do this. 2 to the 2x square means 2 to the 4 x square plus here 2 into 2x into 5. 2 to the 4, 4x, 4 into 5, 20 means 20x. So plus as it is, 5 square means 5 5s are 25. Okay, then here minus sign as it is will put, then 2x square. Okay, we can solve it as, so 2x, 2 to the 4, 4x square, 4x square. Here minus is there, so minus minus plus. Then here 2 into 2x, 2 into 2, 4, 4 5s are 20 means again 20x. Here plus is there, so minus plus minus. Okay, minus, then 5 square, 5 5s are 25, so 25 we are going to write here. Now no need to bracket because we have already changed the signs, and now we have to solve it further, this one. So here this property we have used, so I'm going to solve the other one here. Okay, yeah, so here 4x square, x square, x square is where, x square, it is only x, not x square. Yeah, it's here. 4x square plus 4x square, nothing is there means plus 4x square, and this minus 4x square. So we are going to cut it down. Okay, why we are going to cut? Because plus 4x square minus 4x square here. Okay, so because both these are cut, why you know, because plus minus minus 4x square minus 4x square is already 0 means it will be cut, so nothing will be the answer for this. Okay, so these are going to cut. Then plus 20x, x, where is x, x, yeah, it's here, so plus 20x and 20x, so 20x plus 20x. Okay, these we have done. Now we have written here, then plus 25 and here minus 25, so we can cut because plus minus minus, and 25 minus 25 0. So we can solve only this much because we have done all that. 20x plus 20x, 20 plus 20 is 40, we all know as it is. Then x, we are, yeah, so here x, so here addition is there means 2 times addition is there, so only 1x we will write. So if multiplication is there, okay, if multiplication is there, so here x square will come. So actually here addition is there, so only x is there means, so answer of second is 40x. So we have completed here first and second part. So let's move to the third part. Yeah, so this is the third part. Third part is 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n whole square. So here actually here also we are going to use again 2 properties. Here minus 1 and here plus. So in minus second identity and here plus means first one. So let's write the both identities here. So that is a minus b whole square is equals to a square. It's plus, okay. Nothing happens. We are going to write minus, yeah, minus. So here also minus 2ab plus b square. And here second property is a plus b square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I hope it is visible to you. So let's do it. So this is the first property which we are going to use, minus, and here minus, here plus, so plus. So let's use it. So here first will represent a and it represent b. It is also a. Similarly, it is also b. Okay. B. Yeah. So here a square. A square means this. So 7m square. 7m square, and they have minus as it is 2 into a into b. So a is 7m into b is 8n. Okay. Then plus as it is b is this means 8n square. 8n square. Then after that plus as it is we are able to write, we can write, we are able not, we are going to write plus, then a square is this 7m square again, plus as it is 2 into 7m into 8n, because 2 into 8 is this, b is 8n, so we are going to write like this. Then plus as it is b square, b is this means 8n square. So now we are going to solve it. Now we have used the property, apply the property in the question. So now we are going to do it further. Yeah, so here, so first is 7m square. So 7m square, m square we need, m square. Yeah, first wait, because before doing this we will means multiply these all. Okay, I just forget, and you guys also don't remember me. Minus sign as it is 2 into 7 14, 14 into 8 is 112. 12 mn means m into n, plus 8n square means 8 is a 64 n square. Then plus as it is, then 7n square again, 7 7s are 49. Yeah, here also I have written only 7 square. Wait, 7 7s are 49, it should be 49m square, and they are also 49m square, because 7m square is 49m square. So plus as it is 2 into 7 14, again 14 into 8 is 112, then m into n 112 mn. Okay, then plus sign as it is 8n square is 8 is a 64 n square. Yeah, so this is the, we have, now we are going to cut it down. Okay, so 49m square, let's find m square. Yeah, it's here. So here plus 49m square and plus 49m square, we can add both of them. So we are going to add this 49 plus 49. 4 is little bit very big, it is looking enormous one. 9 plus 9 18. So 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, so 98. So we are going to write 98 and m square, 98 m square. Then minus 112 mn, and mn, yeah, it's here. So here plus is there and here minus, so it will cut down. Okay, then plus 64 n square, yeah, it's here. So here also plus is there and there also plus, so we are going to add it again. We are going to give the sign plus, and 64 plus 64 we are going to add. So 64 plus 64, 4 plus 4 8, wait, 4 plus 4 8, 6 plus 6 12, so 128 and n square. So this is the answer which we have done. So here we have done the third part, first, second and third. So in this I am going to only last fourth part in this video. So from next we are going to start from next. So let's come to the fourth part. Yeah, so this is the fourth part. So let's read it out. 4m plus 5n whole square plus 5m plus 4n whole square. So here also plus means we are going to use only one property. So we can write here a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is a property which we are going to use. Plus, because in this also plus, this also plus. Okay, so here this represent a, this represent b, this also a, and this b. So first is a square, means here a is, so 4m square. Then which sign? Plus sign is there. Then 2 into a into b. So plus sign as it is 2 into a. A is this, means 4m into b. B is this, means 5n. Then again plus as it is, plus that one, and b square. B is this, means 5n square. 5n square. Then this next plus as it is this one. Then again we are going to use again this one property, a square means 5m square, 5m square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a is 5m, then into b, b is 4n. So here plus b square means 4n, means we can write it as 4n square. Okay, so you can solve it further. 4n square means 4 4s are 16 m square. Okay, 16m square. Then plus as it is 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 5s are 40. 40 mn. Then plus 5n square means 5 5s are 25. So 25n square. Then plus sign as it is 5m square. 5 5s are 25 means 25m square. 25m or n. Yeah, m square. Then plus 2 5s are 10. 10 4s are 40 means plus 40. Mn is also there, m into n. Yeah, now mn. Then plus as it is, then 4n square. 4 4s are 16, then n square. Now no need for this property because we have already written this. Yeah, so now we can solve it. So 16m square. So we have to find where is m square. M square, m square, m square, m. Yeah, it's here. So we can add it, 16m square plus 25m square. So 16 plus 25. 6 plus 5, 11. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 41. So in both m square is there, so we can write it as 41 m square. Then plus 40 mn. Mn, yeah, it's here. So we can add it plus 40 mn and this plus 40 mn. 40 plus 40, 80 plus 80 mn. Okay, this plus and this 0 plus 80 mn. Then plus 25 n square, it's here. So we can again add 25 n square plus 16 n square. So we have actually added 25 plus 16 or 16 plus 25. So plus 41. And here the variable is changed. Here m square is there, but here in this case it's n square. We are going to write here n square. So this is the answer of fourth one. So in this video only we are going to do this part. So we have completed total 4 parts. So thank you so much for watching this video. So let's come to the fifth part.